Hey there, welcome to day 1191 of What You Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting the journey as I transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. Talked about, we're done with the Get Up and Go Challenge and an interim break from that. The 30-day Get Up and Go Challenge, just finished the 7th one and taking a little bit of time off while I'm traveling. Still doing our do one thing every day that centers you. Today was day 123, 123 of that. It's 123rd day of 2021 already. And it's a really soft topic. It's called perhaps, the grand perhaps. So perhaps today we'll do something. Perhaps we won't. Perhaps we'll have a great day. Perhaps we won't. Sort of a non-committal approach to the day, I think. It's kind of like the word try or maybe or I might. You know, it's like make a decision, choose already or don't, but perhaps something will happen. Well, of course, perhaps something will happen, but perhaps it won't. I find it it's by Robert Browning, but I just find it kind of a soft start to a Monday, no less. Our idiom for supersize your business, on the other hand, was to see eye to eye. So I love that one. I found this mug in my mom's cupboard, and I thought it was a fun one to use for my video today. Big green-eyed thing. I can't figure out why she's got these dents in her head, but maybe there's a lid or something interesting that happens with this cup. But it's a very, I don't know, German Texan kind of thing. We're in Fredericksburg, Texas, and Fredericksburg is a very German community in Texas, so it's an amazing place to visit. But to see eye to eye, of course, means to see things the same way that other people do. You might see things the same way as your family does. You might see things absolutely differently. I think of a lot of different topics, and there's things that my sisters and I see eye to eye on and agree 100% on, and there's other things that we see the world very differently about, and we have very different opinions on. And that's what makes people and relationships and businesses and life in general a lot more fun. If we all agreed on everything, if we all wanted the same things, life would be much more competitive and a lot less fun. So that's an interesting one. There's a balance, just like everything else in life, right? You know, you can have too much of a good thing, just like you can have too much of a bad thing. And agreeing with other people is the same thing. There's a lot of people in relationships where they 100% agree with their significant other no matter what. Even if they don't really agree, they pretend to go along. And I think that causes more strife in the long run than if you just be yourself. So that was our Supersize Your Business, All About You challenge. No Get Up and Go challenge. And that's it. That's pretty much what's going on. Traveling, I feel like I'm kind of floating these days. When I'm out of my normal environment, I seem to have less purpose and to be a little less driven than when I'm at home. So if I seem a little floaty the next few days, that is why, because I'm out of my natural habitat. If I can help you anyway, hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow to report in what's going on. Saw camels yesterday. Now, perhaps I could have seen camels in Texas, but I didn't expect it. So that was a fun thing. So you never know what's going to happen, right? All right, have an awesome day. I will be with you tomorrow.